John Boy's Radio and Electronics Workbench. Today on the bench we have a relic, a blast from the past from 1975. This is a Courier Fanfare 880 23 channel AM only citizen band radio from and it's obviously a base station. Here's the SAMs I'm going to be referencing when I do some of the alignment. This radio is in good working order for its age. It just needs some meter touch up, it needs bulbs, it needs pots and switches cleaned, and I'll show you some shots along the way. This is not going to be a much of an extensive thing except to show you a cool radio from the past. He just wants it up and running so he can set it on top of his Stoner Pro 40. It has the same, looks like he said it had the exact same template for the wood. This thing has seen better days. It's been sitting out in a barn somewhere, it looks like. I'm going to try to clean it up as best as I can. Yeah, I think it'll clean up pretty good. So take a good look at it. You can't see the dirt like I can, but it is pretty bad. So I'm going to get started, get the covers off, and we're going to take a look at the inside. Okay, I got an old part here, and you can see the meter's off a little bit. Look at that old relic. This final here is unobtainium now. 2SC 799, yeah, 2SC 799. I've got maybe 2 in my junk. Haven't had to replace it much. I hope it doesn't have to be replaced today. It's a good chance. All of the crystals are good. All of the channels are good. For a radio that is this old, to see the crystals all within spec at its age, it's kind of unreal. I think this thing's been sitting for 40 years and never been used. It doesn't have that many caps in it. It's not going to get recapped. I'm just going to leave it as it is and let him use it. And if it starts humming or doing crazy stuff, we'll deal with it in the future. But for now, I'm just going to clean it, give it a quick tune-up, and it's going to need cleaning for sure. I got to clean it, and I got to replace all this bulbage. That's not going to. And I'm also going to clean this relay. Take that relay apart and clean it. So I'm going to get to it here and get some bulbs on this thing and get out the toothbrush and see if I can't clean all the gunk off the face of it. Make it look a little bit nicer. And I'll get you some shots as I go along. Okay, it's all buttoned up. I did the cleaning on it. It's pretty much a lot cleaner than it was. All the grime came off of the front panel pretty much, and the top is pretty clean again. And I cleaned the knobs up. They're looking really good. So that's pretty much it for this. I don't have any. There's nobody really talking out there to give you. Pretty noisy. Flip through the channels here. Some folks way out there on 19. I mean, even the PA works on this thing. But here's the really fun part. On the air light. And that's red. I know it shows up as white on camera, but those are red lights in there, red bulbs. So the receive is green and that's red, and there's actually a light behind the channel thing too that you can't see because it's so bright in here. But it's working too. So this is a Courier Fanfare 880 from 1975, and it's a survivor. and it's still working. And the caps aren't bad in it. They're not, I don't think they're perfect, but they're not bad. I pulled a couple and checked them, and they're still okay. So I'm going to give it back to the customer and let him play with it. I'm not sure if he's going to use it that much anyway, so if he needs it to be recapped, we'll do it down the road. This one's a hard one to recap because all the caps are pushed through the board and then laid all the leads are laid flat. So like they're sending the thing to the moon, you know what I mean? So that's really all I got for this one. But I hope it's fun for you to see an old relic like this from the past. This particular radio is something that I've only seen maybe just a handful of times in the 30-40 years that I've been doing CB radios, you know, because it's so old and there's not that many of them. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. God bless you all out there, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.